Hello guys, this is a bonus lecture. Here I will provide some discount coupon for my other courses. I am already created 3 series on the Udemy. One of them is on the JSON, in which you can learn about the JSON data type and the JSON schema. Another course is on the ASP.NET Web API 2, in which you can learn how to create the web APIs by using the .NET framework. Another course is on the Cordova, in which you can learn about the Apache Cordova for creating the hybrid mobile application that can run on the Android, Windows and the iOS. All 3 courses are available for just $10. You just need to use the bonus coupon. You can also follow our channel on the YouTube, in which we have uploaded the one course that is on the Razor View Engine, which is used to create the web pages in the ASP.NET MVC application. That is absolutely free. You can also read my blog, which cover some technical posts. And also follow on Facebook to get the new coupons about my new courses. Thank you.